Divine smile on you, friend. Come to Dragon's Reach to discuss the ongoing hostilities, like the rest of the great warriors? It seems this damnable conflict has claimed everyone's passions of late. Me, I prefer my books and my spells.
Need a ride? Where do you want to go? Climb and back and we'll be off. Oh, steady.
And you'd have me do what? Join the college and prance about casting spells all day?
Don't just walk away from me. Where do you think you're going?
Cross the bridge. The way is dangerous, and the gate will not open. Oh, forgive me. Most who arrive here do so because they have heard of the college beforehand. This is the College of Winterhold, a safe haven for mages in Skyrim, a place of wisdom and arcane knowledge. Perhaps, but what is it you expect to find within? I see. That power certainly exists, I assure you. Wield it faithfully, and few can withstand you. It would seem that the college has what you seek. The question now is, what can you offer the college? Not just anyone is allowed inside. Those wishing to enter must show some degree of skill with magic. A small test, if you will. Excellent. The fear spell has saved the life of many an illusion mage. If you could cast it on the seal here on the ground, that would prove your skill. I look forward to it. The college is now. Well done indeed. I think you'll be a superb addition to the college. Welcome, apprentice. I'll lead you across the bridge. Once you're inside, you'll want to speak with Mirabelle Irvine, our master wizard. Please, follow me. No matter what, the college will endure. I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. So, you wish to master the arcanes? Mirabelle will be waiting for you.
Restoration is a perfectly valid school. You consider Restoration a valid school of magic, worthy of study, don't you? Don't you? Good. Good. Not that I require validation, of course. There are just some, and I shan't name names, who would disagree. It can make life difficult when one's colleagues fail to recognize the research one engages in. I'll gladly share my knowledge with you. Take a look. Until next time. Restoration is... I'll gladly share my knowledge with you. Spells and incantations for those with a talent to cast them. Until next time.
Much knowledge lies within the college's walls. I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. No matter what the college will endure, I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. So, you wish to master the arcane arts? Mirabelle will be waiting for you. Mirabelle does a... I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. I can't wait to see who's... Spells and incantations for those with the talent to cast them. I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge. See you around. I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do. Knowledge. Certainly if you... I can teach you, but I won't be held responsible for what you do with the knowledge.